Today's Monday and it's time for a garden update. In this video, we're going to repurpose an old coffee container and convert it into a Kratky system. We are also going to mix a gallon batch of the master blend just for our Kratky system. And then we're going to check on the garden. This is just 1 gallon of plain tap water. I didn't pH it. All we're gonna do is add some nutrients and we're off to the races. I use Master Blend in all my grows. I'm a true believer and no, I am not sponsored. Today I am using a scale in grams. It's 2 grams Master Blend, 1 gram Epsom salt and 2 grams of calcium nitrate. Let's get this stuff mixed up and then I'll give you the calculation in teaspoons for this 1 gallon recipe. I realized that not everybody has a scale, so it would be a half teaspoon of Master Blend, a quarter teaspoon of Epsom salt, and a half teaspoon of calcium nitrate to 1 gallon of water. We are simply just gonna fill our cracking container with our nutrient solution. Just make sure the bottom of the Dixie cups can touch the water, ensuring that the roots can take up the nutrients from the water. Now let's check on the garden, shall we? Please don't forget to catch next week's update on Monday. And if you like this video, please watch another one. And thanks for watching.